Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to make your marriage successful, okay, or the yogas for having successful marriage in your kundali, in your horoscope, because birth chart is very important for telling you if you will have successful marriage or not. But before we get started, please subscribe my channel, follow me on Instagram if you want to take my personal consultation. So please check the link in description, okay? So seventh house is the house of marriage. The aspects to this house, the lord placement of this house will tell you if the marriage will take place or not. Okay, so this is a very important thing. I have seen the chart in which Venus was in the first house and Jupiter was in the seventh house. Then also the person didn't get married. Okay, never got any heartbreak or anything because the house wasn't afflicted, but the person didn't get married because the person was quite picky and was looking for the better partner whole life but didn't get. So that is the situation. So what I have seen, whenever Jupiter is in the first house or the seventh house, it always creates some obstacle related to marriage, especially in the seventh house. So basically, if Jupiter becomes exalted, it is very strong, okay, and sometimes it delays the marriage because it plays the role of Karak Bhavnash in the seventh house. Okay, but I have also seen someone getting married and having a good married life with Jupiter in the seventh house as well. So for that we also have to check the Navamsha chart. Okay, but in general, when Jupiter is in the first or in the seventh house in the birth chart, the person can get married late. Okay, or in the Navamsha chart as well. So now, how to have a successful married life? If your seventh lord is strong, then your married life will be successful. Okay, if Mars is anywhere connected with your seventh lord or the seventh house, you can get heartbreak. Okay, if Venus is afflicted by Mars, then also you can have problem in marriage or get heartbreaks. Okay, if malefic planets are sitting in the seventh house, then also the married life will not be successful. Venus is the planet of love. Venus is the planet that helps you to run the married life smoothly. Venus is the planet that helps you to run your married life smoothly. If this planet is strong in the birth chart or the Navamsha chart, the married life runs smoothly. The person also gets relationships. Okay, and there is no need to have heartbreak because the person meets the life partner very early. So all this is our past life karmas. Whatever karma we do, we face it in this life. So that is why always be humble, kind, help everyone, never break anyone's heart, never cheat anyone, never lie to anyone. Always be a pure, kind, humble soul for everyone. Then God will also help you. Okay, so now if Mars is in the seventh house and the lord of the seventh house is also not well placed, then it can make your married life not good. Now your birth chart is afflicted. Okay, seventh house is afflicted in the birth chart, so it is very sure that you will have to go through problems before getting married, like heartbreaks or any issues before. But when we come to the Navamsha chart, in the Navamsha chart, the seventh lord of the D1 chart is well placed, or Venus is well placed, or the ascendant of the Navamsha chart is strong, or the seventh lord is strong, then the married life will be good. Also, we have to see the Dara Karka. Dara Karka, how it is placed. Okay, if Dara Karka is strong, then also the personality of the spouse is very strong. Now, Dara Karka basically shows you the features of your spouse. It generally doesn't show you how your married life will be, but shows you how your spouse will behave with you. So placement of Dara Karka in the Navamsha chart is also very important. Okay, so seventh house basically is the important house. In the D9 chart, you have to see the 12th house. 12th house is the peace, comfort. 4th house, 6th house is the obstacles you will face in marriage. Okay, If 6th house is afflicted, if 4th house is afflicted, 12th is afflicted, ascendant is afflicted, then in that case, married life will not run smoothly. If 7th house is afflicted, then also it's not that bad in the D9 chart. But if 6th house, which shows obstacles, fights, arguments, the lord of the 6th house anywhere sits in the 12th house, or the lord of the 6th, like there are too many planets in the 6th house, or the lord of the 6th house is anywhere influencing Venus, 7th lord, 7th house of both the D1 and the D9 chart, then there can be separation, fights. If Saturn is there in the 6th house, there will be no fights, arguments, but any situation, any problem will be very long. Okay, so that is why. So here now we have talked about the yogas for having a successful married life or problems in the married life. So now how to cure all these things? Okay, first of all, um, if you are facing problem in getting married, then doing certain remedies will be very helpful. The remedies like doing worship of Lord Vishnu is very helpful. Shiv Parvati puja together is helpful. Listening or reciting Vishnu Sahasranama on Thursday, praying Lord Vishnu. Today is Thursday, the day of Lord Vishnu. So and definitely I am telling you by my own experience. I also did the Thursday puja, Thursday rituals, fasting, and it really worked for me. Okay, so remedies help you to pay off your karmic debt. If you really have the desire of something, then it helps you. For both girls and boys, they can do this remedy of Thursday or Monday puja, fasting. Okay, other thing is that always follow the path of kindness, humbleness, so our high vibrations can change another person. Okay, for example, if someone is karmic in your life, you get married to a karmic person, karmic partner, then marriage is destined to break. Okay, no amount of trying can actually help that marriage work. So that is why you do the remedies but remain detached, because your soul has already decided till what time a specific person will stay in your life. Okay, so that is why if marriage is destined to break, if it was only a karma for some time, then we cannot do anything for that. So better is forgive everyone, do the remedies, be kind, humble, change the surrounding by your own high vibrations. When someone hurts you and you catch that person's vibrations, okay, you start crying, you receive that hurt, you receive the bad words of that person, then it affects you too, your vibrations. Okay, that person's vibration is affecting you, your vibration is not able to change that person. Okay, so make your vibration so high that it changes the other person. By being kind, humble, honest, and pure, you can change other person's vibrations. If you also behave like that same person, then it will make your vibrations also extremely low. Okay, so if you want your marriage to be successful, first understand the meaning of selfless unconditional love. Okay, and give love, because whatever you give, you receive it back. Do the remedies. Here I'm not talking of getting married, here I'm talking how to make your marriage successful. Okay, getting married is different thing. Here I'm talking about how to make marriage successful. If you avoid fights, arguments, have true love for each other, then the marriage definitely becomes successful. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Take care. Bye bye.